Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix T-Mobile mobile service not working, restore calls, text and data fast. To fix T-Mobile mobile service when it is not working, turn on airplane mode for 10 seconds and then turn it off again. To force your phone to reconnect to the nearest cell tower. This quick network refresh is the fastest way to restore dropped calls, stuck text and slow data. Fix 1. Force a network refresh. Toggle airplane mode. Swipe down or up to open your control panel. Then tap the airplane icon. Wait for a 10 full seconds and then tap it again. Next, restart your phone. Power your device completely down. Wait for 30 seconds before turning it back on to clear corrupted temporary network cache. Fix 2. Check hardware and account status. First, reset your physical SIM. If your phone uses a physical SIM card, turn off your phone, remove the SIM tray, wipe the gold contacts gently with a dry microfiber cloth, and then reinsert it firmly. Next is to verify account balance. Access your T-Mobile account online or via the app using Wi-Fi to ensure your plan is active and autopay did not fail. Next, remove bulk cases. Thick metallic or magnetic phone cases can degrade cellular reception. Take the case off to see if your signal bars increase. Fix 3. Clear software and carrier glitches. Reset network settings. Go to your phone's main settings menu to clear saved cellular and Wi-Fi configurations. On iPhone, go to settings, then go to general, then go to transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on Reset and then click on Reset Network Settings. On Android, go to Settings, then go to System, tap on Reset Options and select Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile and Bluetooth or Reset Network Settings. Update carrier settings. Connect to a Wi-Fi network. On an iPhone, go to Settings, then General and click on About and wait 15 seconds for a prompt. On Android, go to Settings, then System Updates and then Update Profile/PRL. Thank you for watching and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.